Good morning and warm welcome to everyone at the inauguration of the 30th edition of the CREDAI MCHI and SBI Presents Virtual Property Exhibition. My name is TD Joseph. I head the events for CREDAI MCHI. Let me tell you that this virtual exhibition was conceived almost 5 months back, but we produced in last 20 days, including the Diwali holidays. And now we are executing this event. There would be some teething problem. I'm sure that in couple of days, we all will be used to of this technology by everyone. I would like to welcome all our partners and I want to thank all our partners for supporting this event. So I want to start with SBI as our exclusive banking partner. And then I want to thank all our participants, premium patron, and platinum. Can we have the screen, please, Charmi, of the participants?
Yeah.
Lembai, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome everybody. Joseph, you have created history.
Thank you so much, sir. So this is SBI. Thank you so much, SBI, for being our exclusive partner. The SBI has a great schemes for this 10 days of Expo. I'm sure they will, our CGM will talk on this. Then we have Google and Book My Show as a tech partner. Thank you so much, Google and Book My Show, for supporting us. Rajiv ji, mute kar do aap.
हाँ, common वाले पे.
Rajiv ji, mute.
Yeah.
Then we have our premium patrons. These are the premium patrons. These are patrons. These are platinum. Thank you so much. These are partners. We have Radio City as exclusive radio partner, and Quick Perks who would be giving a lot of gifts and prizes to our participants and the home buyers. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite our chairman for events and IP committee, Mr. Pratik Patel. Mr. Patel, hand over to you.
Thank you, Joseph. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MCHI CREDAI's property exhibition. Before I begin, I would like to welcome Mr. Satish Dada Magar, President CREDAI National, to say a few words. So please, over to you.
Good morning to you all. Nayan Bhai, Deepak Bhai, Baman, the entire MCHI team. It's always a pleasure to be on the platform of MCHI. And today, I think as usual, as normal, you have done something which everyone is going to follow suit. We have had last 9 months of extremely difficult times, but from the survival phase, we are all going towards the revival phase now. And this is a very good initiative which is started by MCHI, because we are all aware that real estate plays a very important role in the economy and the lives of Indians. For us to own a home, we Indians to own a home is something which is the dream which everyone dreams of. And with MCHI coming out with technology-driven efficiency, transparency, and ease, it's becoming reality for every family to have a home of their dreams. The reach is extensive in this type of exhibitions. You have a lot of people who cannot normally visit, but will be visiting and having a look at the various properties. And I think this should be a start for similar exhibitions across the country. You have led the path, and others will follow suit. So I wish the entire team, the exhibition team, and Team CREDAI MCHI all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this occasion. As you all know that CREDAI MCHI has been organizing this property exhibition since last 20 years, and this is our 30th edition. This edition is going to be first of a kind virtual experience in which we have 150 plus participants all across India. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the dignitaries and managing committee members for their presence and support. Now I would request Mr. Rajiv Jain, my colleague, to take and brief on the exhibition. Thank you. Over to you, Rajiv.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pratik. I'm very glad to welcome everyone, all the dignitaries, participants, and guests. The CREDAI MCHI Property Expo 2020 is our flagship event to connect developers and home buyers. Hence, we are providing an exciting virtual venue where developers can showcase their projects, where home buyers can connect with their team through the virtual platform, staying back home or in office. I feel very proud to announce that we have tied up with SBI as our exclusive banking partner. We have also tied up with two big technology giants, Google as our digital strategy partner and Book My Show as a technology partner. As we have also tied up with Radio City as our exclusive radio partner. The exhibition has more than 150 projects across Mumbai, Goa, Pune, Thane, MMR, Palghar, etc. I would like to thank each and everyone who has put in efforts to create this virtual platform in a very short time. I set up the setup is the same as we do on a ground expo, which has been replicated virtually, where it will be interactive digitally in a very easy to go environment where attendees can move around, engage with booths, and attend the virtual conference hall. I'll not take much time, and I'd like to invite Dhaval Ajmera, and he can proceed from here on. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you very much, Rajiv. Welcome everyone, welcome all the dignitaries, Satish Dadaji, Jakshay Bhai, Deepak Bhai, Shri Praveen ji, Ruchita, thank you very much. We are all excited, we are really very happy to inaugurate our first virtual expo, and kudos to Pratik, Rajiv and the entire MCHI team to make it as real as possible. I mean, we are definitely not missing BKC over here today, because these people have actually created BKC over here for all of us and the entire team. So under the great leadership of Deepak Bhai, Preetham, and all of us here, the team has worked really hard to make this as real as possible. So before not wasting much of a time, I would request Shri Praveen Raghvendra ji, Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, Mumbai Metro Circle, to say a few words, and we are going to inaugurate. I would request each dignitaries to inaugurate. I will speak out their names, and I would request each dignitaries to speak a few words and then inaugurate the zone. So firstly, I'm very excited and thanking SBI to be our banking partners and being with us always at the real time when we really require. So thank you very much, SBI, and I really request Shri Praveen Raghvendra ji to speak a few words and inaugurate our first zone, the Central Mumbai Zone. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ajmera ji, and Sri Deepak Bhai, Pritam ji, Nayan ji, and Pratik, Rajiv Jain, and all other dignitaries of MCHI. A very good morning to all of you. And I think I am privileged to be partnering with the CREDAI MCHI today for this virtual expo. We have been partnering with you in the physical expo all the time. And last year we had a grand show in BKC, and I'm sure that this time also with the major IT giant, the Google and Book My Show, the journey for all the visitors, home buyers will be very smooth. And this time also we'll be seeing a large inflow of home buyers. I can tell you that the market sentiment, you are more aware than me, but I can tell you that as far as the home financing is concerned, in the last 2-3 months, we have seen the uptick, and almost we have reached to the pre-COVID time. Rather, sometimes I think in the month of October, we did even better than the October 19. So the market is booming, and this time when 175 projects are being launched here, and there are so many builders also here, I can tell you that we are also offering one of the best competitive interest rate, which is around 6.95, and if somebody applies through our YONO app, it is around 6.9, and all the loan processing charges have been waived. I am sure that there will be huge demand, and the sentiment of all home buyers will be very upbeat in this expo. And this is very right time when we are arranging this expo, because the Q3 and Q4, these are very, very important as far as the real estate is concerned. And as told earlier also by one of the speakers, that real estate is a major industry nowadays. And we know that in the GDP, the contribution of the real estate is very much. And it also generates a lot of employment. So we are partnering together, and I'm sure that we are going to have many home buyers with us by the end of this program. Wishing all the best to all of you. And thank you very much for giving us opportunity for partnering with you. Thank you very much, and all the best.
Thanks a lot, Praveen ji. Thanks a lot. That's really encouraging that you're coming out with a lot of schemes to really push the home buyers to take this opportunity and to participate and move and boost the real estate market. Can we have this on screen? And I would request Praveen ji to inaugurate the Central Mumbai Zone, please. So this is the actual expo. As we say, I love Mumbai. That's the theme of Mumbai. And this is how we are actually entering the expo. We are really excited, and you can see that we can feel that we are really actually in BKC now and moving forward and taking our expo to the next level. So this is our help desk. And now we would specifically go to the central Mumbai zone, where I would request Praveerji to just say, because after when you say that, now I request him to announce, and I now announce the Mumbai central zone open. That's when the zone will open, sir. So can we please move towards that zone, please? Yes, sir. Over to you.
Yeah, Mumbai Central Zone is inaugurated. You can inaugurate.
Thank you very much, sir.
Round of applause and clap.
So this is the Mumbai Central Zone. We have Dosti, State Developers, Ajmera, Kalpataru, Kanakya, L&T Realty, Romel, Paradigm, Marathon, Noda, Integrated, obviously SBI, and so many different participants being there in the Central Mumbai Zone. These are the list of the participants over here. I congratulate each and every participant and wishing everyone a loads and loads of success. And we hope we all make this real and break a record than what we do, because pandemic has taught us to be more virtual than real. And let us make this virtual expo the most record breaking, and hope everyone gets a grand success. Thank you, everyone, and thank you very much to all the participants. Moving on, I would now request Mr. I would request Sri Rajesh Kumar, General Manager, Network 2, State Bank of India, to say a few words before we move ahead for the next zone, sir.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, and I'm also really very excited to see the virtual platform taking shape as rather better than the actual shape. Incidentally, when we were discussing about in the dress rehearsal earlier, I was slightly skeptical about this move, but now I think the way it has taken shape and the way it is moving ahead, I'm really very, very excited, and really thank MCHI for making us a partner, as a banking partner here. And as our CGM sir has shared about the schemes available now, I request the buyers who are coming here, definitely they are going to make use of it. And incidentally, we have seen a lot of uptick in the home buying. Recently, I heard somewhere some 16 lakh home registration has happened in Mumbai Metro only. So it shows a lot of movement is happening in the real estate market. And who else other than MCHI to take it forward? And MCHI, this is 30th edition, and hopefully in the 30th edition, we are going to make a game changer in terms of the property expo. So let this virtual expo going to be a game changer for the property exhibitions in the times to come. I wish all the very, very best for this expo. And I wish all the participants here a great show and a great business ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Moving on, I would now like to invite our chairman, CREDAI, Sri Jakshay Shah, the man whom we all really look upon to. And thank you, Jakshay Bhai, for supporting us and being part of this. I would request you to please say a few words, and then we move on to inaugurate the Western Mumbai zone from you, sir.
First of all, I congratulate team at CREDAI MCHI and wish this exhibition a great success. Satish Dada, the CREDAI MCHI mentor, Baman, the president, Deepak, Nayanji, all CREDAI youth team, very energetic, Pratik, Rajiv, Dhawal, our secretariat, Joseph and team, and our partners, Book My Show, Google, and SBI. I really congratulate all of you. And I must tell that technology is enhancing the future of real estate purchases. And virtual exhibition is a small step towards making everyone's home purchase a dream come true. And it meant to be, virtual exhibition is meant to be convenient, pleasurable experience and efficient. And then it looks like, and like I say every time, the MCHI is a leader and everyone wants to follow CREDAI MCHI, whether it is an exhibition, whether it is convincing government, whether it is reach out to the customer. Anyway, I also look upon CREDAI MCHI activity every time. And as we all know that Mumbai residential market is close to 25% of the total residential market in country. Customer profile of Mumbai is very, very robust and very, everyone like to see, watch that. Almost 65% customers from Mumbai are genuine. And local investor 13%, and spectaculars is only 20%. So stamp duty reduction, lower interest rate, ample choice of inventories have made people to take decisions in buying process. And I am very optimistic, and I really believe that this exhibition will have a great grand success. Once again, I congratulate everybody. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jakshay Bhai, for this great kind words. We really appreciate that. Now I would really request you to please officially inaugurate our Mumbai Western Zone. We will take you across to that, please.
I now declare Western Zone open.
Yeah, so here we go. Thank you, sir. This is the stall for Western Mumbai, and we have different participants over here as well. Acme, Platinum, Romel, Rustamji, and different participants. We request every one of you and all the participants a great grand success, and we just hope everyone really achieves gets a good amount of response. Here is the list of the participants in this Western Mumbai zone. Moving on, I would now request I would say the Amitabh Bachchan of the real estate, Mr. Anuj Puri. Thank you very much to being here and being part of the team, always being supporting MCHI whenever required. Thank you, Anuj, for coming over and helping us. I would request you, because your words mean a lot to the entire industry, not only to the developers, but also to the clients as well. So request some few words from you. And we are really excited for you to please inaugurate our South Mumbai zone. So over to you, Anuj.
So Dhaval, thank you very much. It's Friday, and I tell you, you made my Friday. I mean, the innovation that you guys do. I completely agree with what Jakshay said, is that MCHI really leads the way. I mean, the creativity, the energy, the buzz that you and the team bring in, it is fantastic. So many congratulations. I also say Dhaval, is that I have not seen this kind of energy and this kind of resurrection of the real estate in 25 years of my career. So clearly there is a huge bounce back, and I'm a very realistic guy. Not many people have seen me as optimistic as I am now on this. And we were doing this analysis, Dhaval, the last 10 years, 2010 to 2020. In the last 10 years, 3 years for real estate have been good, and the balance 7 years hasn't been very good. 2020 to 2030, the next 10 years, 7 years of that are going to be good for real estate, which we believe starts now. So, that is a big thing. And, lots of numbers, I'm not going to go into the numbers, but clearly MMR, and Jakshay said this, the 25% of India's launches are coming in MMR. So clearly, Dhaval, you guys are leading the way. Used to be NCR, and it's now been replaced by MMR. So, clearly a huge amount of responsibility on the people who are on the screen, because the rest of India is going to be following what you are doing. Is we are finding millennials who used to be largely on the rentals are really coming into buying. So, suddenly that roti kapda or makan, roti kapda was always there. Makan they had forgotten, and they had gone into this rental. Suddenly makan is coming back into priority, whether it is their parents or their spouses saying is that, guys, whatever it is, don't go with this 2% approach of rental. We want to buy a house. It is a social security now. And clearly, I mean, again, Jakshay mentioned about, in MMR, stamp duty and home loans. And equally, we've seen is that the affordability factor is the highest ever, which means the salaries versus the value of the property. So, whilst the salaries have escalated, the value of the property has not escalated, as a result of which the affordability index for the home buyer is fantastic. From my point of view, it is absolutely a fantastic time. Again, Dhaval, if you look at the registration data, whether it's Maharashtra, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, so the bounce back is across the country. And interestingly, in the South Mumbai, which I'm going to inaugurate, Dhaval, it is just surprising. The luxury completed inventory bounce back has been the highest in Mumbai. So it is very heartening to note. And it's probably the South Mumbai guys who were in older buildings, going into Breach Candy Club and CCI and Wellington. Those clubs have now stopped. As a result of it, they have no facilities, and they are now wanting to move into better quality buildings with better quality facilities. And that's why it has been a fantastic uptake in these sales. With this, Dhaval, I hand it back to you, and it will be a delight to inaugurate the South Mumbai virtual showcase.
Thank you, Anuj. It is really, really exciting for us to have the next 7 years, as you said, that at least after the 10, 7 are going to be good. So I'm sure it will make good for the next 20. So thanks a lot. These are the participants in the South Mumbai zone. Lodha, Rustamji, Chanda, obviously SBI is everywhere supporting us, and Bhavya Real Estate Developers. Once again, congratulations and wishing all the best to all the participants over here. As Anuj said, that you guys are rocking. Please make the most of it. This is just a small bit of our zone. And Anuj, if you can please say a few words, and this will officially go ahead.
Yes, I officially inaugurate the South Mumbai zone. All the very best to the partners who have participated in this zone.
Thank you very much, Anuj. Thanks a lot. Moving on, I would now like to invite the Bhishma Pitama and my Pita, Shri Rajnibhai Ajmera, to please speak a few words, the past president of CREDAI MCHI. And I would like to request him to, give his guidance. He's seen the last 40, 50 years. And I'm sure, as Anuj said, probably some guidance from him. And I would request Rajnibhai to please inaugurate the Navi Mumbai zone. Over to you, Raj.
Good morning to everybody. I declare the Navi Mumbai zone is officially inaugurated, and I wish all the participants and sponsor all the best and have a great business ahead. Now this give me the immense pleasure. This remind me the 20 years before, under our great visionary, Sri J.L. Raheja has started the concept of MCHI exhibition. And our first exhibitions was there in the BKC of Nilkant Group project. And from that I started. And further, it gave me immense pleasure. Even this pandemic has not stopped us. Our youth team under the leadership of Pratik, Rajesh and Dhaval, and entire team had even not stopped in pandemics, and they had made the by the using of technology, they had started the virtual exhibition. And I really compliment entire team under the leadership of our president, Deepak Goradia. Thank you and all the best to the participation.
Thank you, Rajnibhai. Can we have the zone, please? Thank you, Rajnibhai. And this is officially opening of the Navi Mumbai zone. We have Adhiraj, Arihant, Bhairav Group, Prajapati, Vadhva, Siddhivinayak, LNG Realty, Gami, Marathon, all participating in this zone, in the Navi Mumbai zone. I'm sure Navi Mumbai is going to be the next Gurgaon of Mumbai, of India. And wishing all the participants, all the zones and participants of this zone, all the very best, and we hope everyone has a great success and resounding response. Thank you very much to all the participants and wishing you all the best. Thank you very much, sir. Moving on, I would now like to request our great technology partners, Google, we all know what Google is, and we all know how Google has really changed our lives. So, and we as MCHI are really, really excited and happy that Google is being one of our partners, and with CREDAI, MCHI, and Google together, and Book My Show, I'm sure this exhibition is going to go wonders. Thank you very much, Ruchita, and we really welcome you to be part of it and to supporting us as MCHI. CREDAI MCHI. I would request Ms. Ruchita Taneja Agarwal, Head New Business Sales, Google India, to please say a few words and how Google is going to help all of us in real estate industry to take the experience of real estate virtual even better than the real. Over to you, Ruchita.
Thank you, Dhaval. And big congratulations to everyone who's been involved in making this happen. To have 175 projects, go live virtually is, I'm sure, something that's not a mean task. And I think, Joseph has been a close partner in this journey with us for the last 5 months, that, as he was mentioning. And, we've all worked very together. We've worked very closely together in the last few months to make this happen. I guess the only small thing that I wanted to kind of, leave the group with is, the agility and the resilience that the sector has consistently delivered, not just in the last 8-9 months, and what the world has been dealing with. I think the resilience of the sector is very, very commendable, and hearing all the optimism from the previous speakers definitely makes it something that I guess we all are looking forward to, this sector bouncing back. And as Google, we are very happy to play a small part in kind of helping all of you in the of this sector. And we are very, very glad that you chose as your partners. And we are also very encouraged by the fact that something that you have been conducting in the physical format for the last 29 years, you now have embraced technology, and like how, and at the scale that it has now been embraced for this virtual exhibition, is something that's truly heartening for us, at Google. And we are here to help all of you and all the developers, to in your digital and your technology journey. And I wish everyone all the best. And I hope that this exhibition proves to be a very, very successful, endeavor and a venture for all of you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Ruchita. Thanks a lot for your support. And we look forward for new technology, new ways. I would request you to please inaugurate our Thane zone, which is going to be the next, I would say, Noida and beyond Noida of India. So I would request you to please officially inaugurate the Thane zone for us.
Thank you for that privilege, Dhaval. And I officially announce Thane zone open now. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Once again, congratulations to all the participants over here: Acme, Shake, Asher, Paradigm, Rustamji, Puranics, Dosti, Terraform Realty. Wishing you all the very best, and we really hope you all get a resounding success and response. Thank you once again to entire list of participants. Here is the list of all the participants which are being part of the Thane zone. Thank you very much, Ruchita. Moving on, I would now like to invite our President-elect, Mr. Baman Irani. Fortunately, we have one from Bollywood, and we have one in real estate as well. So thank you very much, Baman, to be part of our show. As you represent CREDAI National, we really love you to be, inaugurate the rest of India and rest of Maharashtra on behalf of CREDAI National, and being a part of the CREDAI President-elect. I request Mr. Baman Irani to please speak a few words and inaugurate the rest of India and rest of Maharashtra zone.
Hey, Dhaval, thank you for all those kind words. First of all, I'd like to tell everybody, and you already know it, nothing can stop a good idea when its time has come. I think the integration of technology, which has been, making rapid changes to our construction, to the efficiency of our designs, to the very fact that we can squeeze delivery schedules. And now finally, we have technology coming into the selling part of our, or the exhibiting part of our business. I can just see the glory. I can see what's going to happen. People sitting in Gurgaon today, or somewhere in Chandigarh, or even in Kerala, in Trivandrum, in maybe Chennai, and looking for a home in Maharashtra, which is and always a sought after location will be able to, with a click of a button, easily go through every stall, examine the prices, see what exactly they're looking for, interact with our sales personnel, and be able to take a decision. Of course, I would still recommend they come and finally, touch and feel what they're going to buy, but it'll make it so much simpler. And I can wish every one of our developer fraternity, get ready to be getting a huge number of inquiries. Please have your sales personnel up to speed with everything about your projects. How you give information at this point of time is going to set how your cash tills are going to be ticking away in the future. So with that, I'd like to declare the rest of Maharashtra and India open and wish all the developers every success because they're going to find inquiries coming in from Mumbai and also from the rest of the country. All the very best.
Thank you very much, Mr. Baman Irani, for officially inaugurating the rest of India and rest of Maharashtra zone. We have many participants from Pune, Ms. Nyati Group, Mantra, obviously Escape Village. There's a project, Greenfield Farms. Congratulations to all of us, all of you guys, and wishing you the very best and hoping for a resounding success. Thank you very much to all the participants for being part of this. Now I would like to invite Mr. Deepak Goradia, under whose chairman and leadership we all have really made this. And Pratik, Rajiv, big thanks to you guys. You've made this a great success. And under Deepak Bhai and Pritam's leadership, the guys have really rocked it. Deepak Bhai, we would like you to officially announce the exhibition, and please encourage us by a few words. Over to you, Deepak Bhai.
Thanks, Dhaval. Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome everyone on today our MCHI's 30th Realty exhibition and the first India's largest virtual exhibition on this virtual platform today. I welcome all dignitaries who have been participating in the inauguration of today's event. This year being a year of where we have been facing a lot of challenges, the pandemic and all, and due to that, business has become a real challenge. The revival of the business has little improved. The day I took over as a president, one of the tasks was to revival of the market, real estate, and creation of demand. One of the major goals for creation of demand point of view, we started working on alternate way of organizing the property exhibition with a team of our youngsters. We could able to really achieve this in the shortest possible time, and in the time where the market has really supported with the support from the government of Maharashtra for reduction of stamp duty, and with the support from the housing finance company, including State Bank, for the lowest possible home loan rate, and with the best possible price by the developers all across in Mumbai and MMR. We are able to announce the opening of the exhibition today, the virtual exhibition. The market sentiment is also become positive in the last 3 months, if we see since September onward. And people have started marketing their product at every platform, and marketing through virtual platform, marketing through direct marketing. And this exhibition, where 175 plus there are registered projects all across Mumbai and MMR are being exhibited. Customers are under one roof, can able to access to all information. They can connect to all developers. They can connect to customers, marketing team, understand everything, sitting from their home, sitting from their office, or sitting from all across. As Baman said, people sitting in Kochi can also access to our property, understand detail, and transaction can happen. So the best time to buy the property, the best price to buy the property, and best time to get the best price home loan. This is an opportunity for everyone, all customer to be with us, and they will able to access to the best of the price and everything. So along with that, I feel really great that we have a great support from our sponsors, Google, Book My Show, and with the help of the technology and virtual facility, we are able to do this exhibition great teamwork by our youth wing and the exhibition expo team, along with the support from Joseph and entire team. This exhibition has been possible. Government of Maharashtra has also been very, very supportive, and this will definitely lead to a great demand. I congratulate all participants to be with us here, and participants have exhibited the stalls and the products are displayed. Wish everyone a great business in this coming 10 days time. And in 10 days time, we could really able to rock the market of Mumbai and MMR and be a leader. As Anuj has also said that NCR has been replaced by with the Mumbai MMR. And we continue that trend. And the best part that, as Anuj just said, the 3 years span compared to 7 years, we are going to have a wonderful journey of real estate. And this real estate will definitely bring a lot of overall affordable housing to the people, large houses to people, and market definitely will revive with the support of this expo. I wish everyone great success. All the best.
Thanks a lot, sir. Now, what we will do is, since everybody is here, we will just take everybody to the live experience of the expo. While you were speaking, we had showcased the replica that we have created of the BKC already. Now we'll just take you through the customer journey. So we have taken the privilege of logging in from your phone number, and it is your customer experience via Deepak sir's point of view. We wanted to showcase it to the world in terms of how exactly to use our platform. In next 2 minutes, I will just take you through that. Before that, let me highlight it. This time, we have not just taken care of the participants and the customers who are going to be coming to the expo. We have also made sure all the participating developers, they can engage in real time via 2 to 3 mediums, WhatsApp, video chats, and direct live chat on our platform. And everybody has been given an exclusive dashboard to access to the leads in real time that will be generated out of this platform. So from here on, this is the place where all the customers are going to land up after the registration, which is a very quick parameter where we are taking a few information to help us get an idea about the profile of the customer. And after that, the help desk place is where we are integrating the search filter. Bhav, if you could just showcase from here, the customer can just showcase the search by a normal click, and they can put any parameter in terms of the VHK requirement, the budget requirement, the size that they have, the area that they are looking at, which is the location they are looking at. On these parameters, they will be able to see the searches. We will take you now to the exhibition area. And let us take you through one of the stalls of one of the participants. So Bhav will let us take everybody into one of the stalls. Let's start with the alphabetical manner. So let's go to Ajmera and let's just try to engage with the team there. So we have entered into the zone, which is this is a project of Ajmera in Kalyan, which is Ajmera Bliss. And this is the stall, how it really looks like. We have tried to create as simple, a simple platform possibly there. And we had made sure on mobile, the compatibility of the platform is going to be very friendly. So let's just try to chat with the Ajmera team. And after that, I believe we can leave it to the whole customers to experience our platform in terms of what we have built for them. So Ajmera team has been sent a message. Let us see how quickly are they able to respond. Dhaval sir, I believe we need a nudge. the Ajmera team has to respond a little more faster. So the whole thing is the stall, at any point of time, we have made sure customers can come and they can start interacting. And in real time, within a 1 minute span, we are expecting there are going to be some canned messages.
We're chatting with the Ajmera team in terms of...
Yeah. So, okay, we have got a response in terms of a hi.
Yeah.
Do you want to go further, Bhavit? Can we demonstrate something more?
Yeah.
Oh, it's great to connect with you. Hope you received the information you wanted from the virtual stall. So the engagement is pretty simple. Customers can go to any stalls that directly start engaging on the live chats. And at the back end, the dashboards are given to all the sales team possibly there who can just take over the chat. Or apart from that, we have ensured a direct Google Meet interaction and WhatsApp integration as well. Thanks to all of you for getting us till here. I believe the next 10 days, customers are going to experience something very new. It's going to be a new platform. So first 2 days, we have been saying we will be helping them in the best way possible in terms of the platform experience. And that is all over to you, Dhaval sir. And this is the experience. And we are now live. The mchihomes.com is the URL where customers can go and everybody can log in to start promoting.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Govind. Thank you very much once again to all the participants, and congratulations, and we wish you all the best and all the dignitaries to be part of here. I would request our secretary, Mr. Pritam, to please say a few words and announce the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dhaval. Good morning to everyone. It's indeed my pleasure to be proposing the vote of thanks. First, I start with thanking God that all of us are alive and healthy, and we are going to be experiencing the next 10 years, as Anu just said. So thank God for that. I also thank the pandemic, ironically, because this is the first time that the adoption of technology in real estate has happened so fast. If it was not for the pandemic, I don't think another few years we would be adapting technology that the way we've done, like the other industries had done in the last few years. So thank you for that. I also thank our sponsors, SBI, our partners, Google, Book My Show, and the entire team who's put this show together. I thank all the panelists for taking time out this morning and coming and gracing the occasion. I thank the entire exhibition team and the entire MCHI team, which has worked tirelessly in the last 45 to 60 days every night to put this together. Obviously, a big thank you to the entire exhibitors, and all the best to them in the next 9 to 10 days. Let us experience a new high in leads, in customer interest, and let's take our customers through a wonderful set of projects in which they can select their dream homes. Our tagline is click karo or buy karo. So I think buy is very important, like Baman rightly said. Definitely click, but definitely buy your chosen home. It will be a wonderful experience and a learning experience for us at MCHI, so that we can put up a better show. So all the exhibitors, please give us feedback also, so that we can better and come back in a much bigger show very soon. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being here, for your time. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
everyone.